Chanakya's one of the important components is gathering information for the well-being of a good kingdom. So therefore, gathering information about internal enemies, the criminals within a society, or external enemies like maybe an enemy kingdom. So he used to have espionage systems or spying systems that used to gather information. In today's generation, the spying system has been tremendously reduced by the information that is gathered through our telecom network, be it SMSs or voice overs, etc. So we find that data and gathering of intelligence is a very important part of Chanakya's teachings, which now is being used or delivered by the telecom sector. If you look at the concept of good management, one of the aspects that Chanakya focuses on is speed. So today communication is in the mind. You think about it and you can communicate it. If you have a phone in your hand, you can just put an SMS or a text. And it is not limited by time, neither space. I can communicate with you very close to me at the same speed that I can communicate to somebody sitting in US. So the element of speed is very essential according to Chanakya in communication. If there is a gap, there can be confusion. Now if you look at the other part, which is vendors, they are also external sources. But today, we don't really find a difference between a vendor who works outside the organization versus the people who work within an organization. So both, whether a vendor is outside or inside, the speed of communication matters. The second important part, Chanakya actually would say a vendor may not be called a vendor or a supplier anymore. The concept that comes is a mitra or a partner. So if you look at vendors today, they actually give a lot of value add to a business, including their intelligence and ideas rather than just supplying raw materials. So the Chanakya Saptanga, which talks about the 7 pillars of a kingdom, which I say 7 pillars of business, a very important component is to identify your suppliers and vendors as your key partners or mitras. It is a very interesting journey for me because my first book, Corporate Chanakya, actually became a bestseller right from the day of its release. It's been 3 years and it's almost set a benchmark in the field of management books. More than 2 lakh copies sold in 10 different languages, a film called Chanakya Speaks being made. So the next question always comes, for a best-selling author, which is the next book? I was very clear on one particular thing, that my next book definitely has to be better than the first book. I didn't want to be a one-book wonder. It has to be a continuation of Corporate Chanakya, Chanakya's teaching, yet it had to be different and at a higher level. So I was thinking for this for a long time, and then I said, I've been an academician, a teacher in the University of Mumbai. How can you actually look at Chanakya's theories being really practiced? So I said, I'm the theory guy, I have researched on the Arthashastra, but do I find people in the society who actually practice Chanakya? And that's where, I came across Shivanandan sir, and I found that he is the one whom I was able to see a practical application of Chanakya's thoughts. So this particular book that we are bringing out together called the Chanakya 7 Secrets of Leadership, I talk about the theory and we bring in case study of Shivanandan sir as a real life leader who has been leading a force as big as 2.25 lakh policemen. So for me it's a great learning, practical and theory, practice and theory coming together, academician and a government leader coming together. It's a great, wonderful book. I am looking forward to it because I have learned a lot during this particular process. Consult and tie up. These are the two things I would like to tell. Actually, they are one and the same. Consult with people who are bigger than you and partner with them. So if you look at this particular event that we are doing, it's actually collaborating SME sector companies with a big worldwide brand called Vodafone. Now what is the advantage for the SME companies? Number one, when they tie up and look at business practices at the global platform, the scale up is very high. Chanakya says very clearly that if you want to grow, you need to be with bigger minds than you are. So if you're at level 5, the best way to get at level 10 is to be in touch with people who are already level 10. So I would say all the SME sector, associate yourself, partner yourself with bigger brands. Make sure you're going to the next league by putting the less effort, by partnering and collaborating.